Welcome back to Dinner Made Easy with Dina, and today we're going to do a quick and easy potato salad that's absolutely delicious. So let's get going on that. First thing we're going to do is take 6 medium-sized potatoes, and I use russet potatoes, but you can use Yukon Gold. I slice those up to the size that I want my potato salad potatoes to be, and then I'm rinsing them into cold water before I put them on the stove to cook. If you cut them in the right size to begin with, then it's a lot less trouble later on when those potatoes are hot. So it's much easier to do them from the beginning. Let's go in there with a little salt on our potatoes. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to add 6 eggs to some cold water. Bring those to a boil for just a couple of minutes. Turn the burner off and let them sit so they'll finish cooking. After about 6 minutes, go ahead and run those under some cold water and peel those when they're hot. I have great luck doing it that way. Now let's get some sauce ready for our potato salad. We're going to go in with 2/3 of a cup of mayonnaise, whatever flavor you like, and we're just going to put it into a small mixing bowl. And then on top of that mayonnaise, we are going to go in with some Dijon mustard, and I used about a tablespoon of, stone ground mustard, about a tablespoon of stone ground mustard, and then we're going to follow that up with a splash of milk, and I say about 1/4 cup of milk. That's just to add creaminess to our dressing. And let's go ahead and put in 3 tablespoons of pickle relish. You can use dill or sweet, whichever you prefer. And then we're going to give that a good stir. And I use my wire whisk on that just to make sure everything gets incorporated really well. And then we're going to go ahead and there we go. That looks pretty good like that. Okay, the next thing we're going to add to that is our seasoning. And I'm going to go in with a teaspoon of black pepper because we like pepper. And then we're going to add just a little bit of salt, and it's about a teaspoon of salt. We can adjust the seasoning once we get everything together. We don't want to over season it. And then we're going to go in with a 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. Paprika is always good, and it adds some great color to that potato salad. There we go. Let's just get that all together and whip that together in there. Okay, make sure it's stirred in there really, really well. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to taste that. And you know what? That's pretty darn good, just like that. So I added some sliced olives into my sauce. You don't need to do that if you don't like the olives, but we love olives, and that's what we did. And then I took 2 stalks of celery, and I finely chopped the celery. I'm adding it into my bowl with my potatoes that have cooled slightly. Well, actually, they've cooled a little more than slightly. That's best. Now we're going to take some onion, and I took about 1/4 of an onion, and I diced it up nice and fine. And now we're going to slice those eggs and chop those right into the bowl. Now, if your potatoes and your eggs aren't cold, then make sure you put them in the refrigerator to cool down before you add the sauce. And this is really, really yummy. This came out wonderful. Now, this problem that I have right now, you can see, yep, my bowl was way too small. So, of course, I had to add a bigger bowl. And be really careful about how much sauce that you add to your potato salad to begin with. If you've got a lot of sauce, then I'd only put about 1/2 of it in and stir it up before you add more, just to make sure that you don't overdress it. Potatoes can absorb some of the sauce if you let it, by letting it sit for a couple hours. Oh, that's good. And then I'm going to add that back to my bowl because it's a prettier bowl. And I'm going to top that with some more paprika. Now, if you happen to have a couple of extra boiled eggs, I like to slice those thinly over the top before I put the paprika. But I didn't have any extra, so down with the paprika we go. Then I'm just going to cover this bowl, and I'm going to refrigerate it when it's done. And there you have it, a quick and easy, simple potato salad. And we're all finished. We're going to cover this bowl, put it in the refrigerator till it's ready to eat. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great rest of your day.